welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on the Italo jewelry I own now for about a year. So I want to give you guys an update of the jewelry pieces that I own, what I think about it, how it held up, if I still think that it is worth the buy. I don't have all of them with me. I do own a lot of Italo jewelry. This video is sponsored by Italo. You guys know my opinions are my own. Yes, you bought all these, they're great, they look amazing, but how did they hold up after a year of owning them? So I'm here to tell you guys. One thing I do want to mention as well, if you guys are interested in anything that I'm wearing as far as this sweater, my earrings, my lip combo, just know that I have everything linked down below under what I'm wearing. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So to tell you guys a little bit more about Italo, Italo is a wholesale jewelry company. It's an online website. It brings really beautiful, exquisite pieces at a fraction of the price. Now they are not cheap. They do go for about $100, a little bit more, some a little bit more depending if you buy maybe like a set, but they are still affordable for the quality and the pieces that they give us. I think they're really nice. The reason why they can bring us really affordable pieces is because they are a wholesale, so they do cut out the middleman, and all of these pieces are handmade. Another thing too is all their jewelry pieces are made out of sterling silver, and the stones that they use is factory made sapphires of different colors, make them look like real diamonds. Looks like the real deal, super expensive, but on a budget. Nobody will know the difference. What I will say is that I own by now a lot of Italo jewelry. After a year, I do wear them quite a bit. I really love their jewelry pieces, genuinely believe in them, and highly recommend them because after a year of having them, they still last test of time. They don't tarnish, and I will show you guys the ones that I'm talking about. These are some of my favorites. They are truly amazing quality. None of them tarnished on me. I really love the fact that with their jewelry, all of them really sparkle. It looks very expensive. If you go on Rodeo Drive, walk around with these jewelry, people will think that you are really loaded and very wealthy because they look real. And that's the reason why I really love Italo jewelry, because they bring us that really expensive, great quality jewelry pieces, but at a fraction of the price. They really put a lot of time and effort into making these jewelry pieces. The attention to detail on these are everything. After a year of owning Italo jewelry, do I still recommend it? I 100% recommend them, and I will continue working with them. You guys will see me in the future working with them again. If you guys are looking for some really beautiful gifts for your loved ones, your mom, your sister, your wife, and you want to give them a really beautiful, gorgeous, special gift that will last the test of time, I do recommend this. Anybody that would get this type of gift would be really happy. Truly are exquisite. So the first one that I wanted to show you guys is this one right here. This is the tennis bracelet, and it has the rhinestones or the sapphires all the way around, so it has it everywhere, and it has this lock closure right here. So you just pop these open like that, and they open up like that really nicely and easy. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on. This is how it looks, and I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. It is so exquisite. It literally looks like the real deal. If you guys want to look super chic, expensive, on a budget, I definitely recommend this because the quality is definitely there. I really love this. I worn this so much. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I've said this before. You don't need an occasion to wear something really nice and exquisite. I will even wear this to church. You like don't feel like, oh my gosh, this is so out there that there's no way I'm gonna wear it except unless I go to a wedding or somewhere really formal. You don't. You can wear a nice sweater, some jeans, put this over for a dash of sparkle. I love this. This is something I actually really recommend that you pick up. This is so beautiful. Literally no tarnishing at all. Actually looks the same as when I got it. So nice, such beautiful sparkle. I do also own the bracelet, but to be honest with you, I don't know where it is. I have to look for it because I own a lot of jewelry, so it's somewhere in that stack. I cannot find it for the life of me, but they do also have this in the bracelet version, so if you want to match, that is really nice. I think that is perfect to give someone a gift, or you can even gift yourself. Moving on to the next ring that is also one of my favorites. This is actually probably one of the first pieces that I picked up from their website. This one right here, it's an infinity ring, and the thing that is, I think, really unique about this ring is that not only does it have these sapphire stones going all the way around, but it also has really beautiful stones right here encrusted on each side. So the attention to detail is just so beautiful, so unique. I haven't seen anything like it. I really like the fact that it's very nice and comfortable as well. I did get mine in a size 7 because I wanted to wear it on my pointer finger. When it comes to infinity rings, I do like to wear it on my pointer finger. That's just preference, but I just think this is beautiful. For all this time, it is still lasting me the test of time. It is beautiful. It's perfect condition. Literally looks like I just bought it. Has not tarnished on me one bit, and the sparkle is there, guys. So this is another piece that I recommend if you want to get like a set. I definitely recommend you pick up the necklace, the ring, and the bracelet as well. And just know, guys, that everything I will have linked down below for you guys. And then moving on to another favorite ring of mine, that this again was one of the first jewelry pieces that I picked up. This one really stood out to me when I seen it. I was like, oh my gosh, this is one of the most beautiful ring I have ever seen. Very bold, guys, very out there. So it's like a pear-shaped ring, and it has the sapphire stones everywhere. The attention to detail is very mesmerizing because you literally have to look at it from every side of this ring because it is that mesmerizing. So you do have the stones right here around the pear-shaped stone. You do have it on the middle right here. You have it right here. You have the stones going down right here. Literally the holes, all the sides are encrusted with little stones, and that's the reason why I really love Italo. They really go out of the way to create beautiful, unique pieces that just look very exquisite, very expensive looking, but at a fraction of the price. So this one literally looks like I just bought it. It hasn't tarnished on me whatsoever. And I do want to mention, if I haven't already, all of them are stamped with the S925, which stands for sterling silver. So all of them are solid sterling silver. You can wash with them. You can go in the shower, in the bath, wash your hands, whatever, get it wet. It will not tarnish on you. Looks like you just got engaged. People think that you have a very wealthy fiance because this one is very bold, very out there, but I absolutely love this. So yeah, they do have really bold pieces like this, but then they also have other pear-shaped rings like this that are a little bit more toned down. So if you're not into this really out there ring, they do have other options. They have so many selections that it's just it takes me a while to actually pick the ones I want because it's very hard to just narrow it down because they're so beautiful. It literally makes you feel like a princess. Moving on to another ring that was one of my favorites because my toddler's favorite color is blue, so I had to get this one. This one, they call it an aquamarine, and is this not beautiful? Literally looks like the ocean. I really love the sapphire, the aquamarine sapphire right here, and then they do have clear sapphires right here as well. It is so beautiful. Again, did not tarnish on me. Looks really pretty. I think this is perfect for like a cocktail dinner, dinner date, going out somewhere really special, and you want to have like a really nice statement piece on your hand. I feel like it would dress up any of your outfits. It's very sparkly. That's one thing I love about Italo jewelry, is all their jewelry are so beautifully made that it's so nice and sparkly. You could definitely tell from far away. It looks like super expensive. Italo, they give you the best prices possible, never cut out the quality. From all the rings that I'm showing you, I think this one I worn the most. I cannot stress it enough how gorgeous they held up. They do not break on you. They're very durable as well. The last piece that I wanted to show you guys is this one right here. This is another one that I think I picked up in the beginning. When I first started working with them, this is one of the first items that I picked up, and I really love this. This is pink sapphire with clear sapphire. It is so pretty. I really like the shape of it and the shine. As you can see, guys, it is there. It is so beautiful. Again, I do think this is beautiful for like a cocktail party, dinner date, if you want to have something really nice and dressy, very sparkly. I think this is beautiful. And one thing I will say is I am not shy to mixing metals. I could definitely wear this and wear this one as well. I don't believe in the rule that, you know, you have to stick with silver or gold with gold. You could definitely mix metals. I think there's something beautiful about that. But if you don't want to, I mean, you don't have to. It's all preference. But for me personally, I just think it's beautiful, and I think it's such a great piece that can go with so many of your other jewelry pieces that you already own. I think this would be a great gift as well to yourself or others, whoever, your special someone, your loved ones, whoever. This is gorgeous, and like I said, this is one of my favorites. And the shine, guys, the shine is what really is so mind-blowing. The fact that they make such gorgeous pieces that literally looks real. If people look at your rings, they will not be able to tell that you are wearing Italo jewelry. They will think that you're actually wearing real diamonds. I hope this answered you guys' question. If you guys have any more questions, please let me know down below. That is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And just so you guys know, I do a lot of fashion, beauty, lifestyle videos like this. If you guys are into that, especially with jewelry, because I love jewelry. If you guys love jewelry like me, you guys need to subscribe to my channel. It is free. And yeah, that is it. I'm so glad you guys joined me. I hope you guys are here to stay. Till next time, remember, God bless. Ciao.